Hello everyone. Welcome back to Money Talk with Ben. I'm Benjamin Bookkeeper, and today, we're diving into a topic that has been making waves in the financial world. Cryptocurrencies. If you've been curious about what cryptocurrencies are, how they work, and what all the buzz is about, you're in the right place. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our discussions on all things money. Now, let's unravel the world of cryptocurrencies in this beginner's guide. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly are cryptocurrencies? Well, they're digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. The most well-known cryptocurrency is, of course, Bitcoin, but there are thousands of others, often referred to as altcoins. Now, let's talk about how cryptocurrencies work. At the core of most cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. Think of a blockchain as a decentralized, distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This makes transactions transparent, secure, and resistant to fraud. Miners, or nodes, validate and add transactions to the blockchain through a process known as mining. So, how can you get your hands on cryptocurrencies? Well, you can buy them on cryptocurrency exchanges using traditional fiat currency. Popular exchanges include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Once you've bought your cryptocurrencies, you'll need a digital wallet to store them securely. Wallets can be online, offline like hardware wallets, or even on paper. Each comes with its own set of advantages and considerations. Of course, with any investment, there are risks to consider. Cryptocurrencies are known for their price volatility, and their values can fluctuate dramatically. It's essential to do your research, only invest what you can afford to lose, and consider consulting with a financial advisor. Additionally, be aware of the potential for fraud and scams in the crypto space. Now, let's talk about the future. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to revolutionize various industries, from finance to healthcare. Many experts believe they represent the future of money. However, regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market dynamics will all play a role in shaping that future. And there you have it. A beginner's guide to cryptocurrencies. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to explore in the world of crypto. If you want to learn about retirement savings, click the link above to check out my previous video. And stay tuned for my next video on tips for saving for your child's education. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more insights on Money Talk with Ben. Remember, knowledge is power, so keep learning and growing on your financial journey. Until next time, and happy investing!